Episode 4, Sip Your Perspective. I've got a lot on my plate. Sip your soul, sip your English. I've been giving it some thought lately, while walking through the neon lights of Gangnam. I'm beginning to realize that soul never truly sleeps, and neither does my mind. I've got a lot on my plate with new classes, a digital project, and adjusting to this fast-paced life. I just wanted to take a moment to appreciate the quiet chaos of this city before jumping into another busy week. It's safe to say that moving here was the most impulsive, yet rewarding decision of my life. Let's shift gears a bit and talk about the pressure we all feel to be perfect. I'm slowly getting better at accepting my flaws. I told my students during a late-night session today. I didn't expect that to happen, but my words actually moved a few students to tears. It's not just about mastering a language. It's about finding your true voice in a noisy world. I'm trying to find the right balance between being a dedicated teacher and a creative dreamer. What I'm trying to say is that we are all beautiful works in progress. Here's the way I see it. Every mistake is just a polished step toward clarity. I've come to the conclusion that growth shouldn't be rushed, like a good cup of coffee. I wouldn't be surprised if I find more answers in the small moments of my soul life. I'm doing my best to stay focused on what truly matters to me right now. I'll keep you posted on my journey as I continue to explore this vibrant city. Sip your coffee, sip your English, and sip your perspective.